This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, December 25th, Christmas Day 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We still have a flow coming out of the north and west and a trough moving through the area. This is going to be taking a clipper system through the state during the day today with a little bit of flurry activity in the early morning into the afternoon hours. This also brought us the snow last evening. Highs today will likely be in the 20s across the state, maybe some upper teens, but it's just going to be reinforcing the cold air across the state in the next couple of days. Thursday, we'll see another clipper system moving across Minnesota and the Dakotas that could bring some snow there. Highs will still be in the teens northeast to maybe lower 30s south and west. Temperatures start to moderate here Friday. We may be in the 20s across the state, with western Iowa seeing some 30s possible, maybe mid-30s at best. But that doesn't look to last very long either, as another system is starting to approach from the north. So Saturday could be the warmest day we see in several, maybe weeks or so. Highs maybe 30s across the state by that point. But then here comes this clipper system late Saturday into Sunday. That will drop the temperature. Sunday could be a day with falling temperatures through the 20s into the teens, with maybe a little bit of flurry activity, some snow in the far northeastern counties up into Wisconsin and Michigan. The lake effect snow continues on Monday across the Great Lakes. Here, highs will be struggling to reach the teens. Some areas may only see single digits. Lows will go sub-zero once again. Another clipper system could move through late on Monday into Tuesday. That could bring some more snow, maybe an inch or snow across the northern counties, with highs still roughly around 20. And you can see this northwesterly flow just wants to keep its grasp on us. Another piece of energy coming down from the north and west here on New Year's Day, a week from today. And that could mean another clipper system with more light snow, maybe another inch or two, and more cold air, with temperatures likely dropping back below zero once again, as if we're seemingly getting the grasp of that by about this point. And it doesn't even look like it's going to go away in the extended period. January 5th, another trough coming through, another piece of energy, which means another clipper system's coming. That could bring us some more snow and more cold air. That could drop temperatures down below zero once again, with highs struggling to reach zero in some areas possibly. We hope to God this changes in future runs. But then at the end of the forecast, it looks to be a little bit better here on the 9th. A little bit of energy coming through the area. The flow is becoming a little bit more out of the west at this point. But still, with this pattern, it looks to be that there could be a little bit of snow around, some rain across the Gulf Coast, a frontal system moving into western Canada and the Pacific Northwest, but the next couple of weeks looks to be quite chilly across the area. Satellite image from last evening, you can see that clipper system coming through the northern part of the country, across Minnesota, Wisconsin, back into Iowa and into Kansas. Otherwise, most of the rest of the country is fairly quiet on Christmas Eve night into Christmas Day. The watch warning map from last evening, you can see some winter weather advisories across southeastern Minnesota through Wisconsin into lower Michigan, some freeze warnings across the southeast, and some fog and some air stagnation in the north and west. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing any precipitation around here is expected to be somewhat light with these parade of clipper systems. Heaviest precipitation across the south and up the southeast and east coast.